Hello, I'm Philip Jameson. I wanted to take a few minutes and talk with you about a recent change to family court law in South Carolina. About 4 or 5 years ago, the Supreme Court came out with a ruling which changed the family court arena significantly. Prior to that, a divorced spouse was able to go into court, force their ex-husband or wife to contribute to college expenses for their children. The Supreme Court decided that that was unconstitutional and banned family court judges from issuing such orders. That went along for several years. The Supreme Court has now reconsidered that position and issued an order overturning the order that overturned the previous order. It's now possible in South Carolina for a divorced spouse to force their ex-husband or wife to contribute to college expenses for their children. Now, your kids do have to meet some pretty specific criteria in order to be eligible for this. They have to be enrolled in an accredited university. They have to be making progress on their degree. They have to show that they have the academic ability to do well in school and complete their degree. And they have to have applied for any means of paying for school outside of seeking help from their parents. And that's things like grants, scholarships, loans, and etc. But assuming your children meet those criteria, it's now possible for you to file an action to go into court and force your ex-spouse to contribute to college expenses for his or her children. Obviously, you have to have a spouse who has the financial ability to do so. But if you have that and your children meet that criteria, we can certainly help you with that issue. We urge you to call us if you have questions about this or any other family court issue.